Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create auto caption on a VN video editor. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my VN video editor on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create new project. So I'm going to select new project, and since we want to edit video, we can choose a video based. Okay, and then you can select a video you want to create auto caption on, and I'm going to select video from my gallery. Wait guys, I'm going to choose video from my camera album. Wait, I'm still choosing my video. Okay, for example, this one, I'm going to create auto caption for this video. So I'm going to add this video to my project. Okay, now it's done. The video has been added to my project, and if you want to create auto caption for your video, you can click on your video like this until it's active, as you can see by the outline that the video is active, and then you're going to scroll all the way to the right until you find auto captions. Okay, select auto captions, and you can choose the conversion mode. I'm just going to select Tene, and then you can choose the language, or you can simply use auto detection, and the VN video editor will detect your language automatically. Okay, but I'm just going to select English. Okay, then you can click on convert, and the auto caption will be created for your video. Now it's still processing guys. All right, and now auto captions have been added to this video, and you can edit the caption. If you're not satisfied with the result, you can do batch editing. Okay, you can manually edit the caption, and then you just need to click on done. Okay, and this is the final result. And you can change the style of the caption. Just tap on the caption and you can change the font and then change the color, and it's up to you. You can customize the caption as you want, and then once you're ready to save your video, you can click on this icon. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create auto caption on a VN video editor. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.